Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to describe about the services of hospitality industries or hotel industries. There is a multiple varieties of service is there in the hotel industry like silver service, American service, Gardo service, buffet service, English service. So today we are going to do one small demo for silver service. Basically, silver service is a platter to plate service. Whenever we are bring the food from the kitchen in a platter and same food we are going to serve to the guest plate, that's called silver service. Now let's see, we'll do a small demo video. So how, what is the original way, what is the comfortable way to do the silver service. Before starting the video, I just like to say, for silver service, you need how to hold the service gear. This is called service gear. Basically, I'll show you. So one service spoon and service fork, how we are holding in a hand. See, this has to be free, and you can hold the fork here. So this is the way to hold the service gear. So now we are going to serve the starter. Whenever guest order for starter and we need to do platter to guest plate service, always it has to be from the left hand side. See, if I am doing from the left hand side, we need to just check with the guest what the dishes you have to present to the guest. Madam, here you have a paneer tikka, and after the guest permission, if guest given the permission for the service, you can take the paneer tikka and serve on the plate. Paneer tikka. So this is the convenience way. There is enough space to serve the starter, platter to plate. Same things we are not doing from the right hand service. Why? Now we will see the example. If we are doing from the right hand side, see, the space is going in front of the guest and there is no space. Guest will feel irritated, and it's not a proper way to serve. That has to be, we cannot cause the guest space. So that is the reason we always need to serve platter to plate from the left hand side. For the main course, you just need to take a permission from the guest. Ma'am, you have a mixed veg curry here. You have to serve the curry like this. Rice, if guest has order for rice always you have to take in a spoon and you have to spread the rice like this in a spoon, and you have to, so this is a biryani, alright. So here we have a dal makhani. Whenever you are serving dal makhani, you can use the small katuri, or if you are serving on the plate, you have to ask the guest, madam, on the rice or by the side. If guest says on the rice, then you can serve it on the rice, or if guest told for the by the side, means you can serve by the side. You have to check with the guest on the rice or by the side. While you are serving the bread, you already knows that which bread guest already ordered. You just need to mention, ma'am, here you have a lacha parathas. Parathas you no need to serve on the plate. Always the bread has to be served by B&B plate. Bread and butter plate will be from the left side. Serving the food, you can keep the food on the table or by the side station. Whenever your guest will order for desserts or salad, you see, you should serve from the right hand side. Why? Because it's a pre-plated. You just need to eat the portion bowl or the salad in front of the guest. So this is how your right leg will be gone forward, and madam, your desserts or salad. See, there is a space enough to serve from the right hand side. Pre-plated food, the beverages always from the right hand side. Platter to plate is from the left hand side, and clearance, when you do the clearance after having the meal, that is always from the right hand side. So now you see the left hand side and right hand side, or the platter to plate service. So whenever you are going to the restaurant, you maybe have a question in your mind that why they are doing left hand, right hand, what is the reason. Now you have a clear, being as a guest also, that why as a server they are doing some food from the left hand side and some food from the right hand side. What is the reason? Now I think it's clear for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. You can see today my both of colleagues is helped me to make this video. Sania and Manikandan was very helpful whenever I am making the video for you all. So they all are helping me a lot. So we are waiting for the next video what they are going to plan. Let's see.